Hiya, we are gonna make a Internet Daemon. So we're gonna make some. At the end of this class, we're gonna make something like this, and all of ours is gonna be different.
Not all demons are the same, right?
Yeah. So then we're gonna have some paints and a paintbrush and some scissors and some glue and a pipe cleaner and some googly eyes and a carton. So
this is you can see what we're using for this class right here.
Yeah.
Okay, what's the first thing that we need to do?
So first off, you're gonna cut out the egg carton that holds the eggs, and then cut out that, and then when you're done, when that's done, we're gonna draw the longest thing that you have, the longest place you have on the longest place where you draw the teeth is the greatest. So then.
Okay, so switch it, and you just to remember, you use the carton both for the body and the head, right?
Yeah.
And we're going to start with the head.
Yeah.
And so here's when we drew the demon.
Yeah.
This is the demon head.
You could use a Sharpie or but we use a marker, but you could also use a Sharpie.
And here you have we cut it out, and so we cut it.
Or a pencil.
A pencil too works. So we cut this out. And you can see here that we have the basis of our demon head. And we have the jawline, and then we have the teeth. I typically do 3 teeth, but you could do 4 if you wanted.
Yeah. Or a 5.
You could do 5 teeth. So here then we painted the demon. And what color did we paint these two?
Blue and reddish pink.
Once we're done painting, then we add the
googly eyes. Then we make 2 holes in. And then we make 2 holes in the demon head, on top of the demon, right where those circles are. And then have a pipe cleaner, and like if you know how to sew, just like sew, then cut it and then sew it in.
Yeah, you thread it through one end or one part, and then you pull it out the other, and so you have one continuous pipe cleaner to make the 2 horns to the demon head.
Yeah.
So now we're going to move on to the body, and you can see one last thing is then we decorated the demon head. We added a nose and then some weird markings for fun. I don't think they really mean anything.
Yeah, I think it's just for like their cheeks. Yeah.
So now we're moving on to the body. So do the same step where you take a demon carton and you paint it. You don't have to paint it the same color as the head. And then the next step is to make the arms. So poke a hole on both sides of the egg carton where we've shown here, and then take a pipe cleaner and thread it through both ends so you have a bit of pipe cleaner sticking out of both sides. The next step is to bend it to make hands. You can see how they bend it here.
Yeah. Sorry, it's a little blurry.
Then once you've got the 2 arms, poke a hole,
and then put a pipe cleaner through. Then put your pipe cleaner that you have, or whatever tingly thing you have, put around your pipe cleaner horn things. So then
just wait, I'm going to switch. So you can see what we're talking about here.
Yeah.
You have this way we have a twist tie, but it connects to the demon horns in the head and the pipe cleaner for the arms. And you twist the tie on both ends, and that connects the head to the body.
Yeah.
And so what's this?
Your demon. So your very own demon.
So with this video, you should be able to make your very own demon. Thanks for watching, and hope this is a fun activity at home.